Hi guys, it's a beautiful day once again and welcome back to Dexter's World channel. It's quite a busy day. Today is a holiday and we really have this ample time to take care of everything. The construction of our fence, and then the electrification of the boathouse. And then yesterday, I was so happy to receive these goats. They are actually the pure breed of anglonubians and they will now become the highlight for this farm. Meaning that we're envisioning to have a dairy project or selling goat's milk and making some cheese or maybe butter out of the goat's milk. What is important is we already have these goats and they are, as what I've said, the purebred anglonubians that we can utilize for that purpose. And I would like you to take a look at these goats. They are actually very beautiful and healthy. You can see here that we have 5 those that have babies. These kids are just 2 months old and I believe that they are so stressed because of the long trip. And a little later today, we will inject them with Bilamil. This is very important also so that they can recover from the stress. And I'm personally watching them because it seems that they are not used to the kind of feeding system that we have here. But I'm so happy that they already have, adjusted slowly by eating some napiers. And I was told that they're used to, eat ipil-ipil trees. That's why I'm closely monitoring them. And a little later this afternoon as well, we can give them corn bran, the food that they are used to eat. This is practically now filled with goats. And the other side, we have native goats. Here we have hybrid goats. And we will make a comparison. We will do some comparison here for the benefit of our viewers and followers who are also very interested about the difference between the hybrid goats and the native goats. And you look at this buck. This buck is taller than me, much taller than me, because this can stand up to 5 feet. When this will climb up here, this will stand 5 feet. This is the reason why I really wanted to upgrade our breeding of goats, because it will save us the amount of milk and meat that they can produce. Meaning that if we will spend the same amount of food, the same amount of effort, but there is a big disparity in so far as profit is concerned, because this goats, the hybrid goats, can grow big while the native ones are actually small. You cannot expect the native goats to produce some milk or some meat compared to the hybrid because they are literally small. I'm still studying because they are not used to eating this type of grass. Maybe we can also make an adjustments and slowly give them with the napiers, the ipil-ipil. I don't know, but we have to make a study. And what I have in mind is to give them corn bran because they are used to eating this as according to the owner. look at this 3 months kid. It's already very heavy. And this is only 2 to 3 months old. And I was told that next month we gonna be, weaning them from the mamas. Very heavy. Oh, I'm sorry. In this cubicle, we have 3 does that are still juveniles, meaning they have not yet delivered babies. And we are expecting that they can also produce babies for the month of December. And I was told that they are only 5 months old, and you will see that they're really big. If we're gonna start to breed them, maybe that's the time that we can reach our target, which is producing goats, 100 heads of goats for this year 2024. So I know that this is an ambitious desire, but since we already have these materials, then I think we can achieve this. So just crossing my fingers that all these goats will become well. And you will spot the difference between the native goats and the anglonubian goats. And we exerted the same effort, actually, the same amount of food that they eat, but the disparity of the size is quite big. Because this will only weigh around 30 kilos, but the anglonubian, if they will become fat, they will become 50 or 60 kilos, and that's already a good meat for the market. So the disparity of the size is one of the factors also that we have to consider in goat farming. So guys, that's all that we can share. I'm so happy with these developments, and if you are not subscribed to the channel, may I humbly ask you to please subscribe and hit the notification bell, because we are uploading very informative videos, and these videos are consisting of the practical tips, the ups and downs of the farm that you can also learn and get some lessons out of it. So I would like to see you in the next video, only here at Dexter's World.